Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is a quick update on my 3 weeks update on this spring twist. So the tea on this hair, how do how is the hair now? How the hair, yeah, the hair is really nice. Basically I answer my own question, like if you remember, like I answer my own question, so that is it. So the tea with this hair, there's no tea, but you know the hair is great. It's looking nice, and it's just my roots, it's just my hair. So it's been 3 weeks. To be honest, it's been, I will put 3 weeks because I'm in my 3 weeks, but it's been like 2 weeks and a half. Were Wednesday, and this video is going to be up on Sunday this week. So yeah, I have like new growth on my hair, and you can clearly see like the hair and wait, you can clearly see the hair and my in the spring twist. Like it looked kind of messy around my edges. I don't gel down my edges, I don't do baby hairs, like that's too much work. I don't have time in the morning, so I usually do nothing. I just style my hair like this, or like last week I wore like a half up half down, and this week I just wore it in like in a bun because I found my hair was too messy and it didn't look like look at this hair. That's the thing. I just noticed that my hair is starting to show. I just noticed that my hair is starting to show through this spring twist, but I don't think like it's like a major problem because the spring twist just look just like my hair, and you know it spring back up and it's like shrinkage, so I don't see an issue. I will recommend with this hair, you know, if you watch my last video on how I did my hair, you will notice that I you know let me explain because I don't want to, you know, confuse a lot of people out there. So let me explain how I did it, okay? I take the spring twist. Well, you saw the video, you know. I had like 2 pieces of hair, then I started twisting my hair. But what I would recommend, like realistically, what the fuck did I ever make this word? Realistically, I mean that's a word, I think. Anyways, so instead of like twisting like that, I think because I saw like a video of this girl named Kinsley, whatever you want to call her. Don't, if you watch this video, sorry girl, but I don't remember your name, but I follow you, okay? So she did like the rubber band with the passion twist, and then she, you know, when it was time to pull the hair, when you put the crochet hook into your hair, and then you put the fake hair into your real hair, when it was time to, you know, to pull these apart, she take like she how can I say that, she pulled one strand of the hair through the loop, the little loop. I wish I can show you. And then she made a knot with that. So, and then she started to twist the hair. I think that is the best way to do it, but you know, I don't know, okay? I think this is also the best way. Another thing that I did, I did not twist, like my roots wasn't tight, like it did not. I think mainly because, you know, I'm still learning how to grip my the roots. I'm still watching YouTube videos to do that. I think I do a pretty good job when it comes to braid, but twisting, I don't know. Maybe next time I will do this hairstyle, I will just not at the beginning, I will just not the hair and then start twisting. So that's what I wanted to say. So I usually put this satin scarf, this fake Gucci that I bought from this Ghanaian African store, you know, beauty supply store we come, and they know me really well now. I'm a part of the family, you know. Okay, I use that scarf, and then usually what I do, I have a lot of hair in the middle of my head, so that is a problem. Usually I use like a lot of hair in this area, but that's why, you know, this thing, let me show you. That's why this thing right here is looking hella funny, like. So I put my hair in a bun like this, then I make, oh, that wasn't it, that wasn't the bun. And the thing is, with this hair, like, it's difficult to run your hair through the hair. So if your man wants to, you know, run his hands in your hair, usually I'm not wearing makeup, so you know. Then I have my big ass bonnet, because this bonnet is really that big, like it's really that big, and I have to tie this with like scrunchies so it will fit my head, because my hair is really small. Like, guys, I tell you, like, my head is really small, and I don't know why I choose this kind of bonnet, but I think I would buy a new one. So that's how I do it, and I go to sleep. And mind you, the hair doesn't move. I don't when I wake up in the morning, the hair doesn't like come up, the bonnet doesn't comes off. So unlike the other way I tried, and mind you, now I don't do all this crazy stuff. I just put the the scarf, and it still doesn't, you know, when I wake up in the morning, the scarf is still on my head. So this is a great way. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, comment down below. I would really be great. I will be happy to reply to your comment. I'm always there, not always there, but I try to be there. And follow me, subscribe to my channel. We're about to hit 1000k, why 1000 subscriber, and I'm not joking, this summer in the gym, in the name of Jesus. Amen. Have a blessed day, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.